So, in improvisation of our earlier discussion and showing developing personalized reasoning AI model which can run on our computer without internet connection and have the specific training on the domain that we are interested on. Today, I'm going to show you how the system is working with the Mistral AI 7 billion parameters. So, what I have done today entire time, and I am going to show it in a very short video, that I will be going is that from you have this 7 billion parameter. Now, you want to use it on your own computer which has very limited GPU and CPU capacity. It is for personal use, so not for any even very heavy task. So, I am going to show you the step by steps how it's been developed. I am not going into all course because if you ask, I can share you the code and you can just develop it for yourself. So, the first thing was that this model that you have in here, I used it with the Llama by the Ollama background, so that it depending on the Ollama to run on my system. So, how the things was installed to develop this reasoning chatbot like ChatGPT, so that you can use. So, to do so, this is first I created a directory, and within the directory virtual environment, within the virtual environment of this specific virtual environment, created different configurations, codes, data, conversation, those will be saved, web interface, then virtual environment, main py, test system requirements, run datash, web interface, which is to with the Gradio. All things was done, and then in the process of doing it, what I have very specifically focused it to be domain specific for me, because I want to use it and keep my privacy and also get all things that's been trained on the in relation of what I want to use for. And to do so, what I have done is that I focused it as an immunologist and a programmer. So I trained on and focused on, tuned on it to be very specific on PubMed text, bioinformatics, computational biology, and those relevant specifically molecular biology and everything, the area where I'm more interested, genomics and everything, so that you can run and do the things that you have major interest on. So this all have been done. Now I'm showing you how I can run it. So you just open up this. Oh, this is my system. This is not that. Sorry. So I'm in my virtual environment. So I just run my run.sh. So it gives you like this. And now this is our local host that need to be opened. And this will work like a okay. That's not good. And that's not been copied. Okay, let's take it. Localhost 7080 7860. So we copy this. Let's what's the reason it's not getting copied? It's the same problem. So this is what we got. A beautiful system that works like you want. You can see my computer status, resources, RAM 12.5% use, available 54.7 GB, GPU NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 type. This is the old system I bought long time ago, and we RAM in here. So This was, you can see, if you look at in here, well, I like to use the word DX, so that's one of the reason, but it's a specialist in bioinformatics, NGS analysis and medical research. So it is very focused in there. And for example, I ask in here, okay, the temperature is very important. If you set up temperature 1, it will be more consistent. If you set up 0, then it will be somewhat not up to the consistency. It will be moreover producing a different genera of data. So let me just make it bigger probably for your benefit. Okay, it doesn't. Okay, so if you I have couple of videos uploaded couple years ago on prompt engineering. You can look at temperature, top level, and all those explains a lot. So let me ask you a couple of questions. Okay, what is single cell RNA sequencing as its hot topic in the field? And I ask it, okay, let's see what does it write. Well, this is a very comprehensive writing. I don't know, it can cite or not, but this is a literature survey that's put in here. So this is quite big. 10x genomics, dropseq, fluidism, and there's profiling including Surat, monoclave, Paga. That's for the trajectory analysis, Palantir. Yeah, this is good writing actually. What are the single cell sequencing techniques? Sequencing techniques at cellular level. I'm asking complex questions so that I can charge it more frequently. Okay. So it's a lot. It is quite expensive. Okay, let me ask another question. Can you write code for entire single cell sequencing data analysis? I'm asking question. I don't know either how it will do. Okay, this looks good. It's writing in Surat first quality control, then dimensionality reduction, clustering, cell type annotation. Okay, this is written in Surat. Please write RNA analysis code in Python. Lots of people love Python. That's good. That's impressive. Okay. Now, can you write a short review paper with citations on single cell RNA sequencing in, let's say, hematologic malignancy? Ooh, this is good. How long it can go? I wonder. This is good. It's enough. It has the citation. I just need to increase the word limit. That's all. This is impressive. Can you write code to develop an on-screen Ubuntu CLI small game? Let's see. It really can do that. That's impressive. That's enough. I think this is working very nice, and you can see the RAM use and others are not increased. So this is fantastic. I'm happy for this. And I'll just put it as a tutorial, and anyone want to go through this, you are welcome to go through this. Ask me any question, go through my GitHub. I'm not putting everything into GitHub, but I can actually. No, probably I will. Let me just put it, fold it in here. You can ask, come to my GitHub, and you can ask me any question if you have, or you can just come to my profile. And you can just search me and send me any email you want to do. Anything is good with me. Just send me an email. Thank you so much.